Exciting announcement. Robb and Kelly Colley, along with Troy Acosta from eXp Realty, have partnered together to proudly present another stunning home that's sure to captivate you. This custom-built beauty is featured in Bear Point, and it features 3 bedrooms and 2 baths in a spacious 1,400 square foot layout, packed with all the extras that you could possibly dream of. Once you step into luxury with recessed lighting, custom outdoor fans adorned with palm leaves, and a remarkable 13-foot clearance under the carport, which is a rare find indeed. The home boasts a large shop underneath, perfect for storage or your creative projects. Escape into your own private sanctuary in the fenced-in backyard, complete with a refreshing outdoor shower just in time for those sunny beach days. This gold fortified home ensures durability and a peace of mind, while the huge front porch invites you to relax and enjoy the coastal breeze. Inside, indulge in the exquisite details like beautiful sea glass custom paint throughout, elegant glass subway tile, and luxurious quartz countertops paired with soft closed cabinets and doors. The built-in trash can, Lazy Susan, built-in pantry, and luxury vinyl floor plank add convenience and style to every single corner. But the perks don't end there. As a resident, you'll have the opportunity to join the Bear Point Community Center and gain access to the boat ramp for just $350. Plus, enjoy exclusive access to the stunning private beach, live music nights at the Tiki Bar during peak season, and a wealth of amenities around the marina, from jet skis to charter fishing and dolphin cruises. Come home to a lifestyle of luxury, leisure, and unforgettable sunsets with your new neighborhood friends. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and make this coastal paradise yours.